Welcome to this brief overview of the Visp web app. Clicking on the foot logo on the upper left of the app allows you to expand and see the text of the different icons here. The dashboard allows you to see widgets that show quick updates on the status of your subscribers or your business. It can also display custom reports as widgets. You can turn widgets on or off by going to the gear icon on the upper right corner of the page. Here you can turn off all widgets or select specific widgets only. Next, to display your subscribers list, click here. You may click on a specific subscriber to pull up their profile and see additional options for managing the account. You may click on this arrow to dock the current window, and you can easily pull it back up to work on it at any time. You can sort subscribers according to their billing status by clicking on the different buttons here. You can select to only see paid up, due, and past due subscribers, and the rest of the other accounts can be hidden from view. Prospects are composed of leads or accounts with inactive services. Clicking on the arrow here opens your list of archived or deleted subscribers. Next, the service desk contains a list of your scheduled and unscheduled tickets. Your tickets may either be displayed in a Kanban board or on the calendar. The List tab contains all your tickets. You can easily sort through them by technician, by status, or by priority. Clicking on a ticket shows additional options for managing it. You can add notes or additional tasks on your ticket, attach pictures of devices or contracts and files, or even add your subscriber signature. Next, let's open the equipment to view your sites or towers, your site equipment, assigned CPEs, or your existing inventory. Click on the hamburger icon to find the option for adding new sites, inventory, or equipment profiles. From here, you can also view reports on assigned CPEs, site equipment, or inventory. Next, the map. Once you have properly set up your site locations or towers, as well as the site equipment, backhauls, access points, and have assigned CPEs to your subscribers, you'll see data populated here on the map. You can tweak your map to display a simple street view or a hybrid view showing buildings and landmarks. You can also display sites, access points, customers, and the radial coverage of your access points. Searching for information in Visp is made easy by this dynamic search bar. Click on the drop-down and select a category, and then type the information you're searching for. The software will give you different suggestions based on your search. You can click on first name if that's what you're looking for, or you may click out of the window to see the current search result. You can click on New Filter to filter the search result. This filter can be used to easily pull up the same information at a later time, or to use it in your mass email to group subscribers as recipients of your message. Next, click on the plus sign here to quickly add prospects or subscribers, to open a ticket, or to receive a payment. This notification icon shows you the latest updates from Visp. You can click on the updates you want to read. The menu or the apps menu here shows you additional features and settings you can set up in Visp. You can view or set up your user profile, see reports, or access additional settings in the application. Lastly, should you want assistance in the web app, click on this question mark icon to report issues or give suggestions, to open a live chat, or to view our guided tours of the features. Congratulations on completing this brief tutorial. For more information about the software, reach out to your Visp Client Success team.